those of you who have decided to wear clothes today have actually contributed to the problem that we're solving at ReFresh Global. But of course, you're not the only ones. We're all contributing to it, and even more so, many corporations around the world that work in the textile industry and even beyond that. And you can see the numbers for yourselves, what it means in terms of the financial loss and opportunity, and even more so, the impact it has on our lives and our environment. Now, of course, this is something that requires a solution, and this is why we at ReFresh Global decided to take waste as a resource and convert it into high quality new raw materials. How do we do it, and why is it different from everything that exists today? We're tech-based. We are not doing it manually or mechanically, or not only like the way it's been done for dozens of decades until now in the recycling industry. Our solution is easy to replicate and can be adapted in a variety of markets, meaning we're an open loop and we're an end-to-end solution, which will save a lot of resources. Now, the EU has actually already understood this is a big problem. In less than 2.5 years, there's a regulation coming out which will forbid landfilling and incineration of textiles. So that means that they will impose circular economy on all the stakeholders involved. But I can assure you that most of them don't have a solution, definitely not like the one that we have invented, where we said, let's look at it from an end-to-end perspective, and let's take the stream of the textiles and sort it automatically with our partners. There is a technology like that already available, mechanically shred it into fibers, and then in step 4, with our proprietary technology, we'll be able to convert it into 3 new raw materials. How do they look like, those materials? So the natural fibers, they will be converted into an ethanol and a nanocellulose, which can be applied in many different industries, as you can probably see already. The synthetic fibers, too, will be able to go into the textile, but also furniture, construction, and much more. So basically what will happen, we will convert it in the microfactory and then sell it for a variety of different industries, and then help them replace their current materials that they're normally virgin-based or synthetic-based with fully compostable or recycled materials at a high quality. And of course, as an environmental startup, we're making sure to reduce CO2 at the maximum level, and of course also to save water, which is a very big problem in the industry. So this is us. We're a team that has worked for many years in the fashion industry and textiles, but also understand chemistry and how to run multinational products and projects. And we're actually growing, so we're happy to hire. We're hiring more people because we have just received part of our seed investment, and we're about to close our seed fundraising round. And these are just some of the coverage outlets that have actually covered our pilot, which I've completed already before we went on to scale our R&D. And very quickly, I'll show you some results. If you can see that, this is our first full-scale ethanol that you could actually drink and use for a lot of industries. So thank you very much. And we would love to collaborate with anybody that understands the problem as us.
Thank you so much, Victor. It's really great to see what you're trying to address here. Any questions from the audience? So Alejandro has a question. The way to scale is by opening more microfactories, correct?
Yes, but also the production in scale of our product. So I will just also again show them quickly to the camera. This is the ethanol, this is the nanocellulose, and this is the fabric from the pulp. So we will be able to sell those in scale. The prices actually, even though these are commodities, are going up. And then ultimately there will be the microfactories that will be franchised or sold through joint ventures.